If Telegram keeps freezing, lagging, or becoming unresponsive, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple fix that usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. This is a great method if the app is stuck, loading slowly, or just not behaving the way it should. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is force close Telegram completely. This is important because sometimes the app looks closed, but it is still running in the background and causing the freezing issue to continue. To do this, go to your system tray. That's the area near the clock where background apps are usually stored. Find the Telegram icon, right-click on it, and then choose Quit. This fully shuts down the app instead of just minimizing it. Once Telegram is completely closed, the next step is to clear the Telegram cache. Over time, Telegram stores temporary files that can build up and cause performance issues, including freezing, slow loading, and glitches. Clearing this cache is a safe and effective way to refresh the app without deleting your account or your messages. Now reopen Telegram. In the top left corner, click the hamburger menu, which is the 3 horizontal lines icon. From the menu, go into Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Advanced and click on that. After that, scroll down until you see Manage Local Storage. This is where Telegram stores cached files on your device. Inside Manage Local Storage, you'll see an option to clear all. Click that to delete temporary files and remove stored cache data from Telegram. This won't delete your chats or your account, but it can remove junk files that are slowing the app down. After clearing the cache, give Telegram a moment to rebuild fresh data the next time you use it. In many cases, just these 2 steps are enough to fix Telegram freezing problems. First, fully quit the app so it stops running in the background, and then clear the local cache so Telegram can start fresh. If the issue was caused by overloaded temporary files or a stuck background process, this should make a big difference. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple fixes and software tips. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.